This video is for you. Let me save you an hour of reading. Here's the only thing you actually need. Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. So, this week, every headline said the same thing. ChatGPT changed again. GPT 5.6. And now there are names: Sol, Terra, Luna. And if you read that and felt a small, familiar sinking feeling, I hadn't even caught up with the last one. This video is for you. Let me save you an hour of reading. Here's the only thing you actually need to know. You don't have to do anything, not one thing. You don't pick a model, you don't learn the names, you don't install an update. If you open ChatGPT today, it's the same app, the same button, the same little box where you type. It's simply smarter than it was last week, quietly, on its own. The name's Soul is the deep thinker for big, complicated questions. Terra is the everyday one, most of what you and I do. Luna is the quick one, fast little answers. And here's the part nobody prints in the headline. ChatGPT chooses between them for you. You never see it happen. Let me show you what smarter actually means for us. Same request I could have typed last month. Help me write a kind but firm reply to a customer asking for a refund. The answer just comes back a little more thoughtful, a little more like a person wrote it. That's the whole upgrade. That's what the fuss is about. And if you run a small business, a shop, a salon, a service, this matters in one gentle way. The free tool you already have got better at writing your product descriptions, your emails, your little signs for the counter. You didn't pay for that. It just happened. So here's what I want you to take from this week's noise. The companies will keep changing the names. The headlines will keep shouting. And none of it requires anything from you, except to keep using the simple tools in plain English at your own pace. You're not behind, you're right on time. If you'd like a gentle place to start, my free AI starter kit is below. 5 tools, 5 real 10-minute tasks, zero jargon. I'll see you next week.